Hello guys, how are you? I hope you're doing well and you're watching my YouTube channel Advanced Technology by Rana. I have received a request from many viewers that they want to know how to install the iOS on the Cisco Catalyst switches. So based on their request, I'm going to record three different sessions with the Catalyst switches, routers and Nexus iOS upgrade. So guys, if you have any confusion or you are facing the issue with the iOS upgrade with any of the three products, my request to keep watching my channel and I will help you for sure. So let's start our lab for today, and please don't forget to subscribe and like this channel, and if you like this video, please provide your feedback. Guys, the previously we have a different way of iOS upgrade on the Catalyst switches or router. It was through TFTP server and people face a lot of problems. Sometimes TFTP is not compatible with the Cisco product, or they are facing with the reachability issue, the local firewall issue, and it's bit challenging or complex task to upgrade the iOS. But in the recent years, the Cisco routers, switches, and firewalls, even every product, they have a facility with the USB port. So by the help of USB port, it is very easy to install the iOS and firmware. So I will use the same method to make it more quickly and in the easiest way. So the first thing what you have to know before installing the iOS, you need to know what exactly firmware you have, what is your product part number, and what exactly iOS you have required. So the first thing you need to know the what is the exact part number of your product. For that purpose, I will use a command show platform. Okay, this will provide me the exact part number and what is the exact firmware in the same command. So my product is C9300/24P with 1734. Okay, I can check with the show version as well, but it is a bit lengthy. But the show platform command is the customized command which provide you the information. Okay, so you can get the same information with the show version as well. But for me, I will use the show platform command. Okay, so I have this number, the model number of my Catalyst switches. Now what I will do, I will go to the Cisco website, and you have to be credentials to log in, and I will download the iOS. For that one, I'll go to the support, I'll go to the products and download, then I'll go to the switches. In the switches, I have to go to my series of switches or router or whatever you want to upload the iOS. So my series is 9300, so I'll go with the Catalyst 9300. Oh, I came to security device. Let me go back. Go to support, product and download, switches. I'll come to 9300. So this is my series. You go to downloads. And I'll go to my exact part number, which is 9324P. Okay, so this is Catalyst 9324PA, which is advanced. I'll go with the enhanced because my version is enhanced, and this part number is written on the body of your switch as well. So you have to make sure it is A or E. Okay, so I'll click over here. I have options for the iOS release. All the release are same. There is no much different except the different release notes in the iOS version. So I'll click any one of this one, and then it will take me to the recommended release. Okay, so software download is there. So there are two basically suggested version. One is Bengaluru and one is Amsterdam. There is no much difference. Again, you'll go with the latest because this is the best one. Okay, so I'll click over here. Then I have the two option with the no payload encryption. I'll go with the universal, and in the universal, if you see over here, I have the detail with the release of this software iOS. It is Bengaluru 1764. Release date is 18 August. This is the file, this is the size, and this is the minimum memory you have required, and this is the MD5 checksum, which is check the integrity of the iOS firmware. Okay, so my version over here is 17.3.4. Okay, and I'll go with the 17.6.4. So I will just click over here. I have already downloaded the iOS. Okay, so I will just then I need a USB flash. I have the USB flash. Okay, regarding the USB flash, you have to be make sure that your USB is FAT32. Okay, so only the FAT32 is supported with the Cisco routers or switches. Okay, if it is some other NTFS or something other, it will not recognize on the Cisco switches or router side. So it should be FAT32. You have to make sure. Okay, so I have downloaded this one. Now what I will do, I will click this one with the my router, my switch. So guys, this is my switch. Okay, and now what I will do now, I will click and this is my USB port. Okay, and I will put my flash with this port, and you will see on the console, as soon as I click this one, it will immediately recognize. Okay, you see, it come with the device USB flash 0. Okay, so it is recognized. So next thing, I will do one thing. I will make it show USB flash 0, and I can see my iOS is already copied. So another thing, guys, I already created a small document. Okay, and you can see over here, I will show you, and I will copy all the commands in the description of this video, so you people does not face a problem to make iOS upgrade. I'll keep it together. Okay, so this is a small document I have created now. Okay, the first command I will give over here, let me keep it parallel. Yes, like this. Okay, so the first command, I have to clean up the flash. This command, install remove inactive, will remove the unnecessary files in my flash to make the space available. Okay, so in the same enable mode, I will make it command install remove inactive. It will take few minutes. Okay, so successfully they have it had deleted all the unnecessary files. Will not be deleted. And if you see over here, yes, it have done it. Okay, scanning boot directory package, preparing for package list to the file is in use. Okay, so there is no unnecessary file in my flash, so it did not delete it. But if it found, it will delete the unnecessary files from the flash. Okay, so it already check it. The next thing, I will copy the iOS from my USB to my flash. For that one, I'll give a command copy USB 0 to flash, boot flash. Okay, and I'll put the name of the file. Name of file is this one. Okay, it asks for source, I'll give the same name, destination same name. Okay, so my iOS is uploaded now. Okay, it's need to finish now. After this one, I'll check the integrity. I'll check the directory of the flash. Okay, and I will make sure it is copied. Then I will check verify MD5 flashing image. I'll make sure that the copy of the iOS is in the original form. There is no compromise with the integrity of the iOS or manipulation, in other words. Okay, it's copy now. The next command, I'll make it dir flash static.bin. Okay, so it already copied. It gives me the information about how much space I have available, and it's a very useful information. The next thing I will do it, verify MD5 flash and the name of the image to check the MD5. Okay. Okay, and guys, this is done now. If you check over here, this is the value which is verified with somewhere value is here. You will see here MD5. Okay, so this is 611. If you see over here, so this is the value, and it is matched. Okay, it start from DAE and end with 611. Let me show you here. Okay, DAE and 611. So it verified that what was in the file over here, MD5 value is same as after copying into my flash of my catalyst switches. Okay, so this is the proof. This is another thing to show you. So let's back. Okay, now I will set the boot variable. For this one, I'll go to the configuration mode. I'll write down boot system flash package config. Okay, I'll put one more command, no boot manual. Okay, for this command, if you write down the tab, it will not come because this is hidden command. So you have to write down the full command, no boot manual. Okay, I'll make it exit. I will save this one. Yes, guys. Actually, my battery was dead and my system shut down. So anyhow, we'll continue from the same way. I will write memory. I will save it down. Okay. So this is done now. The next thing I have to do it. I have to set the. I will make the show boot, and we check the boot verification, and then we'll put the command to make this iOS active into my flash, because right now this image is in my iOS. It's still not. I didn't give the command to make the router or the switch to know to take the new iOS. Okay, so the next thing I will do it, show boot. Okay, so my variables are set to my flash package.config. So the next command which I will give over here to make it active from inactive, this is the command, install add file flash, the name of the file, activate commit. Okay, so I'll do one thing. I'll make it install add files flash, and I'll give the name of my image. Let me copy with the same one. This is the image. Yes. Okay. Come down. This one. Activate commit. Okay. So now the process is started now. I think something wrong. Let me correct over here. Install add file flash. Let me copy name from here. Okay. The next command over here is .bin activate commit. Okay, guys. Another thing, if you have a stack of switches, you see over here performing add on all members. Okay, so if you have a stack of switches, there is no difference in the command line. It will automatically copy it from one stack member to another one, and you do not need to have to do anything by yourself. Okay, so automatically it will add on the all stack members. So since I have only one switch, so it will not do on the other member, but it will look for the stack members. If it found, it will do the same process for the other switches as well. So it add package on switch 1 and finish add on switch 1. And now it's finally my device will be reboot. It will ask me for the reboot. Okay, so it asked me to reload. I said yes. And this is the final process. So guys, finally we have updated the iOS, okay, and it is done successfully. Let's do the verification. And for the verification, I'll put the same command, show platform, okay, and now the version is changed from 17.3 to 17.604. Everything works smoothly, and we have done our task for today. And guys, the command line for the upgrade is available in the description of this video. So the upgrade process is same for Catalyst 9300, 9200. You just follow the instruction of the commands regardless of the stack of switches. So I hope you have enjoyed this video, and please don't forget to subscribe and like this channel, and please provide your feedback. Until to the next video, stay tuned, take care, Allah Hafiz, bye bye.